So the British government recently announced that fully vaccinated individuals from a list of 17 countries can enter England and they need not follow the quarantine period. India was not part of this list. Now, the decision sparked a major outrage among several Indians, forcing the British government to rethink their COVID travel norms. And they did tweak it a bit, but we're going to tell you how much of it is actually going to make a difference. We're decoding this for you. So basically what the UK government is saying is that even if you are double vaccinated in India, you will have to observe quarantine upon entering the UK, and you will have to go through rounds of testing as well. Now, the decision sparked a major outrage among several Indians in the top brass of the country as well as in UK.
So if Covishield is not essentially, it is identical to what the British are taking under a different brand name, how on earth can you say that one set of vaccinations is accepted and another set is not, and you've got to be quarantined?
There is the element of racism in it, where the people who are jabbed in India with the recognized vaccine, still not recognized in Britain. Why? I will be raising this question again with the government. Why, on what evidence, what basis they are refusing to accept?
India's Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla called UK's decision discriminatory and warned of reciprocal measures by India unless the UK made amends to their rules. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar raised the issue with UK Foreign Secretary and urged an early resolution. Jairam Ramesh said the decision smacks of racism. The approved vaccines in UK are Oxford AstraZeneca, Pfizer BioNTech, Moderna or Janssen. Now the problem starts here as well because India's main vaccine, that is Covishield, is from the Oxford University and by British-Swedish pharma giant AstraZeneca. Only difference is that it has been manufactured locally by the Serum Institute of India, and it has been approved by the WHO as an emergency vaccine. Now, in spite of this, Covishield was not included in the list of vaccines approved by the UK government. Now, on top of this, as per India's Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla, India has exported 5 million doses of Covishield to the UK on the request of the British government. So, in spite of all of this, if they are not recognizing Covishield now, it is discriminatory as per Harsh Shringla. Now, following the reaction that the UK government received because of this decision, they added Covishield to the list of approved vaccines. But even though they have added Covishield to their list of approved vaccines, they have still not mentioned India in the list of countries from where people can come in without following quarantine rules. And several sources have also hinted at the fact that the UK government does not have a problem with the Covishield vaccine, but they have a problem with the certificate which is being issued along with it.
Privately, what I hear from unofficial sources is that it is not our vaccinations they mistrust, it is our documentation. As one person said to me, we fear that yours is a country where anybody can get a fake certificate for everything, even for a university degree. I think discrimination is an appropriate term at this point.